guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you can download and install Power BI application to your Windows computer. This works for all Windows editions starting from Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 and even 12. Click on the search tab and type Store so that you see Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store application to open. Next step, click on the search apps and type Power BI. Hit enter. We will use the application. So here we have App Business Microsoft Corporation. So this is the right one. Click on it to be redirected to the correct page. Again, Power BI Microsoft Corporation. Just click Get. The application download and installation will start automatically. You will not need to do anything. And once everything is ready, that little button where it shows downloading, it should turn into open, and we will need to click on it to open the application. For now, we'll pause the video. Once the download and installation, which has been done automatically, is over, I will show you what to click. As you can see, download and installation is done, so we'll just click open to start the application. Next step, we'll be prompted to the official menu or the main menu. And here you can either click sign in, or you can simply SQL Server 2016 reporting services. So you can choose. So I will just click sign in, or below it Power BI. Here you will need to type your Power BI account and you will need to click sign in so that you access your account. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.